What's the meaning of American Psycho? American Psycho. American Psycho. American Psycho. American Psycho. American Psycho.
American Psycho is a novel written by Bret Easton Ellis in 1991. The story revolves around the life of Patrick Bateman, a wealthy young man living in Manhattan who is secretly a serial killer. The novel explores themes of consumerism, narcissism, and the dark side of human nature. The title, American Psycho, reflects the idea that Bateman's violent tendencies are not unique to him, but rather a reflection of the emptiness and corruption present in American society.